Hello, my dear students at Prep 2. How are you today? I hope that you are fine and ready for this interesting and enjoyable video. In this video, we will learn together Unit 7, Lessons 1, 2, and 3. The title of Unit 7 is Technology and the Future. So, we will talk about technology and its different forms. Let's start. First of all, I just would like to ask you some questions. Do you like modern technology? Of course, every one of us like modern technology, like the new inventions such as laptops, mobiles, computers. Okay. How does modern technology help us? Can you tell me about a useful usage or advantage of modern technology? Yes, for example, modern technology can help us to shop online, to chat with our friends online, to study online, for example. So there are many advantages of modern technology. Excellent. Now, match the description of every object to its correct picture. Number 1, what can you see in this photo? Yes, it is a jacket. So what is the correct definition? Yes, here it is. Number C, this clever jacket uses an app to make you warmer when the weather is cold. So, in these pictures, you can see some of the modern inventions, like this jacket. And number 2, what's this? Yes, number A, when these headphones hear another language, you can translate it into your language. Okay, what about number 3? Which one is the correct definition of it? Yes, number D, change roads in solar panels. This invention uses strong glass that you can drive on and make electricity at the same time. And thus, the final picture, number 4. Yes, number B. Is it a motorbike? Is it a helicopter? No. This invention is half motorbike and half helicopter. It can push you into the air at the speed of a fast car. Excellent. Now let's talk about the new vocabulary. Headphones, invention, app, motorbike, helicopter, solar panels, translate, speed, delivery, businesses, check, share, cool, advice, expert, change, addicted, horrible, headache, social media, lever, and explore. What about the irregular verbs? Sleep, slept, slept, coast, 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 send, sent, sent, understand, understood, understood. And then we have some language expressions, and language expressions are a group of words that come together, a group of verbs and prepositions, or verbs and nouns. Translate from into, يترجم من إلى. For example, I can translate from English into Arabic. At the speed of, think of, make pollution, make pollution. You are for, you are against. You are for means I agree with. أو أنا بدعم, I support. You are against means you don't agree with, or you disagree, or you are not supporting this idea. Okay, now today we will talk about a new grammar, which is simple future tense. The affirmative form of simple future tense is subject plus will plus the verb in the infinitive form. For example, I will go to Thailand. The negative form is subject plus not, or I can say want, plus the infinitive. For example, I will not go to Thailand. What about yes or no question? It's very easy. You should write will plus the subject plus the infinitive. For example, will you go to Thailand? What about the usage? Simple future tense is used to express actions decided at the moment of speech, so it is used for quick decisions. For example, I have a headache, I'll take some medicine. It is also used for unplanned future actions. For example, winter will come soon. Another usage is for offering, asking for a request, promising, ordering, or threatening. For example, I'm afraid we will get wet. It is also used for unpreventable actions in future. For example, summer will come soon. Summer will come soon. What about yes or no question? You should use will plus the subject plus the infinitive. For example, will you go swimming? Will you go swimming? And the answer would be yes, I will, or no, I won't. Yes, I will, or no, I won't. WH question. WH word, for example, what? Then will is the helping verb, and then the subject, and then the infinitive. For example, what will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? I will visit my friend. I will visit my friend. Okay. The usage, as we said before, is prediction without evidence. For example, I hope that they will build lots of schools in Egypt. Maybe they will make this clever jacket to help people warmer. What about the key words? The key words are those that indicate that you should use simple future tense. These key words are tomorrow, in the future, soon, next, last week, next day, and next year. Now let's do this exercise together. Match the correct answer. Number 1 is a pain in your head. Yes, headache. Number 2, don't use too much social media or you will be to them. You will be what? Yes, addicted. Number 3, pull this towards you to start the machine. Pull this what? Yes, lever. Don't say things about your friends on social media. Yes, horrible things. أشياء شنيعة. Number 5, I'd like a machine to tidy my bedroom. I'd like to invent. Yes, invent يخترع. Number 6, I think it is to travel in time. I think it is what? Yes, impossible. We can only travel through what? Yes, through space, not time. You shouldn't outside for too long if it is very hot in the desert. Yes, you shouldn't stay. Number 9, if you don't the lesson, you should tell the teacher. If you don't what? Yes, understand. Okay, let's do this exercise together again. What invention do you hope we in the future? Yes, we will see in the future. Number 2, I think the headphones very useful for traveling. This is a personal opinion, رأي شخصي. And if you want to talk about, or if you want to give a personal opinion, you should use simple future tense, so the answer will be. Number 3, do you predict that the weather will get hotter in the future? Yes, will get. Number 4, life easier in the future. Life what? Yes, will be easier in the future. Number 5, shops close in the next 10 years. Will shops close in the next 10 years? Number 6, I hope some money soon. I hope I will earn, يعني سوف أجني بعض المال قريبا. I agree that the jacket won't useful in Egypt. Won't what? Won't is followed by the infinitive, so it is won't be. Excellent. Number 10, I'd like to my new photos with my friends on the internet. Yes, I want to share. Number 11, it is today. I think it's going to rain. It is what? Yes, cloudy. Number 12, I can't find my watch. It is disappeared. اختفت. When I go to bed, I turn my phone off or on. Of course, I turn my phone off. Number C. Number 14, you should a break after sitting on a computer for a long time. You should what? Have a break. Yes, have a break. My parents will take my phone. My parents will take my away if I play on it so much. Okay. Now listen to discuss these questions in pairs. Do you like shopping online? Why and why not? Think of an answer. A possible answer could be, yes, I like it because it is easier. Number 2, what type of things do you like to buy and why? I like to buy clothes because I can choose from different designs and colors. Okay, now let's match a word from A to a word from B to make useful phrases. Some verbs match more than one word. You can use a dictionary. Number 1, I have money. Have money, يمتلك المال. Have money. Save what? Yes, save time or save money. يوفر المال أو يدخر المال أو يوفر الوقت. Spend money and spend time. Waste money and waste time. Wait for delivery, wait for delivery. Okay, so these are some verbal phrases. Okay, we will continue our grammar, and today we will talk about if, conditional if. Okay, the structure is, if you use if as the first conditional if, you should write the sentence after if in the simple present, and then the next sentence in simple future. واحنا لسه متكلمين عنه. يبقى دي الحالة الشرطية الأولى لإف. if معناها لو. جملة بنستخدمها لربط جملتين. The first sentence should be in the simple present, and the next sentence should be in simple future. Usage. It is used to talk about possibilities in the present or in the future. بنستخدمها للتكلم عن الاحتمالات سواء في المستقبل أو في الوقت الحاضر. Examples. If it rains, I'll stay at home. If I wake up late, I will miss the bus. If it is sunny, we'll go to the park. If Joanne leaves, Bola will be sad. If I find your email, I will send you the picture. If you study hard, you will pass your exam. Okay, so this is the first conditional if. It is followed by the present simple and then the future simple. بنبدأ الجملة if. Okay, and then the condition يعني الشرط, and then the result النتيجة. For example, if condition we work hard. If we work hard, result هنحصل اللي هيحصل, we will finish the project on time. Thus, the first conditional is used to express a real or very probable situation in the future. It refers to things that will possibly happen in the future if a condition is met. لو اتحقق الشرط يبقى هي بتدلنا على حاجة هتحصل في المستقبل لو الشرط ده اتحقق. For example, if I go to Italy next week for work, I will visit the Colosseum. If I have time tomorrow, I will help you. If you touch the wire, you will get an electric shock. You will get an electric shock. So, one of the different usage of first conditional is to give advice. You can use it to give advice. Okay, now let's do this exercise together. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Number 1, if I go because the subject is plural, so you should use the infinitive form. I will spend a lot of money. Number 2, when Huda visit, of course it would be visits because Huda is singular. She, yes, will buy some new shoes. Number 3, Hassan not use the internet to buy food, doesn't use when he will be older. Number 4, Mona, yes, looks online for a new phone when she will get home. When she will get home. Number 5, if I buy everything online, I will not be able to go shopping with my friends. Excellent. Okay, let's do this exercise together. If I help my mother at the weekend, she have more free time. She what? Yes, she will have. Number 2, if I do the shops, I will spend a lot of money if I go. Yes, Number 3, what clothes? If it is cold, what clothes will I wear? Number 4, when Huda Cairo, she will buy some new shoes. When Huda what? Visits, yes. Number 5, if there is fish in the supermarket, I a kilo. I what? Yes, I will buy. Number 6, tomorrow, if the weather, we will go out. If the weather what? Yes, is fine. Is fine. Number 7, what if it rains? What? Yes, what will happen? Number 8, when I'm 21, I will buy a car. Number 9, Sally sad if she fails. Will be sad. Yes, excellent. Okay, match to make sentences. Number 1, you should have a break. See, if you are sitting at the computer for a long time. Number 2, you shouldn't watch videos on the internet. Now, who can tell me what are the correct sentences to complete the first sentence? Yes, number D, if your head hurts. Number 3, if you don't know someone, what? Yes, number A, you shouldn't make friends with them online. Number 4, you should tell a parent or teacher. Yes, would be number E, if you feel worried about something. What about number 5, when you go to bed? Yes, when you go to bed, number D, you should turn your phone off. Excellent. So, one of the different usage of if is to give advice. Use if or when plus should to give advice. For example, they should check that you can't buy anything when you play games online. If they don't change, maybe you should find some new friends. So if you want to give your friend a piece of advice, you should use if plus should. يبقى لما نعوز نستخدم if لإعطاء نصيحة بنستخدم should بدل will. For example, complete these sentences with the correct sentence and with your own ideas. Use should. Number 1, if you see people being horrible online, you should tell your parents. Number 2, when you play online games, you should play educational games. Number 3, if you think that your friend is addicted to social media, you should warn them not to spend too much time on social media. When you feel tired, you should get rest. When you feel tired, you should get rest. Excellent. Now, read the article. Can you find any of the phrases from exercise 2 in the text? Use your dictionary if it is necessary. Shopping online, yes or no? NG, I love online shopping. Shopping online is great. Firstly, it saves me time. I don't want to spend lots of time traveling to the shops. I can stay at home and buy the things I want in a few minutes. Secondly, I have more choice online. Also, if more people shop online, there will be fewer cars on the roads and less pollution. I will do all my shopping online when I'm older. So one of the advantages of online shopping is it saves time and it helps keep the environment clean. What about Beher? Beher says I prefer going to real shops in my city. Every time I buy clothes online, the thing that I buy is wrong. At a shop, I can see what I'm buying and I can try it first. Also, I don't like to waste time waiting for a delivery. I want things now. If everyone shops online, the shops in our towns and cities will close. If they close, then lots of other businesses like cafes will close too. So one of the disadvantages of online shopping is you can't try things before you buy, and you can be easily cheated. Everyone can be cheated through online shopping. Okay, this is the end of today's lesson. Now it's time for your homework. For your homework, please do this exercise. Number 1, choose the correct word. For example, some people think that online shopping saves the time and money. And this also will be your homework. Complete the sentences with these 2 words. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.